Naka-full face ako na ano, yung all about that face na Get Ready With Me. Disgusting na. Ganda siya!
Flawless.
Period. Get Ready With Me with Get Ready With Me. Period. So guys, you didn't know, Get Ready With Me Cosmetics released their All About That Base Volume 2 and this is a lot to talk about, honestly. Alam ko, dear, na maikli ang iyong attention span, kaya I'm gonna make it short. I'm already skin prep and primarily done my eyes, so let's get into the base. They released a lot of stuff in tint, color correctors, concealers, a small skin tint, powders, loose powder, and a setting spray. Yeah. If you guys didn't know, Get Ready With Me Cosmetics was my first favorite color corrector. So, I don't know. I'm kind of curious kung same pa rin siya ng formula. I have here the deep peach and medium warm peach. Of course, we're going to this one. The color is actually really nice. This is like the type of color ng color corrector na I know it's gonna work on me. Ito yung tsura niya, once it's blended, I say, pigment is pigmenting. The coverage is pretty decent. Hindi siya sobrang full coverage. It's like a perfect color corrector lang, especially if you don't have nothing to cover naman. Concealer, I have here two shades. This one is Desert. I'll be using the shade Desert to cover my color corrector. Look at the shade match. Oh my god. Okay, wow. The coverage is there, mga dear. Oh my god. Wow. This is what it looks like blended, dear. Period. I'm actually quite surprised kasi before yung Get Ready With Me concealer is not working on me kasi it's too creamy. But this one, the coverage, dear. Okay, for skin tint, dito ako medyo excited kasi this is a first on Get Ready With Me. I have here the shade Desert as well kasi ito yung naging shade match ko during yung mga tester nila, they have that. So you guys better try it. Also have a mini size. So if you want to travel, you can bring this. The packaging looks like it has a pump. It actually released a lot of shade. I'm not sure kung how many exactly. Dear, did you see the shade match? Girl, the base is basing. To brighten my skin, I'm using the concealer in the shade Macadamia. Kung maka-move on sa fantasy ng skin tint, like this is like a perfect skin tint, especially if you're oily. Ang ganda ng lapat niya, hindi siya greasy, like dear. Period, Get Ready With Me. I am actually quite intrigued with this powder kasi they have the shade Sugar Cookie. Yum, which is a purple powder, and a cherry blossom, which is a pink powder, which is perfect if you want to brighten your face. This powder from Get Ready With Me are so fine. Like, nakita niyo ba kung paano lang siya nahulog, dear? I use this to set my under eye. Dear, oh my god, look how blurred my face is. Wow. Okay, tapos na ako sa makeup ko, and now we're gonna set it with the All About That Base Life Proof Fixing Spray Ultra Matte. And let's see if this spray is gonna make this stay all day. So this is the final look all complete, and for my final thoughts, I think this three is gonna be the holy trinity, especially this concealer and the skin tint, mga dear. I like how full coverage and thick the concealer is. Like, hindi mo na kailangan i-marinate siya para lang magkaroon ng coverage kasi once you put it there, it's gonna be full coverage, dear. Okay, for skin tint, I really like this one because I like how it shade match my skin. I like the undertones, period. They cater a lot of undertones now, and if you don't have shade, girl, di ko na lang alam talaga. It has demi-matte skin finish, so this is perfect if you have oily skin. It also has SPF. So, yeah. But you still need to put your own SPF before you put this kasi it's not enough there. Look at my skin right now. Wala tong filter, dear. Like, you see that? Powder, I'm super wow. Like, look how fine this one. Dear. Para siyang sand. It's also blurring, and I love how they come up with these shades, which is really nice. Color corrector, you're gonna need to wait a little bit of this, dear, kasi I'm gonna make a separate video of this if this is a wow or not. Okay, so actually, I'm going to an event today, so mawi-wear test natin siya. So let's see kung mag-i-stay yung makeup na to all day.